Hello, welcome to Maths Teachers. So here we have so many examples on the board, and this is under exponential functions. And like what we always do for each of the topic, we solve as many examples as we can. If you have questions, you can drop it on the comment section. If you are here and you are not yet following us, make sure you follow us, okay? So here are the examples that we have. We are going to be solving. It's a solve for x, and we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So let's solve them one after the other. So we have solution. So we have number 1 says 2 raised to the power of x is equals to what? 64. So this is under exponential function, and like what I said in our previous video, under exponential functions, I said when the unknown is the power or the index, you make sure that both sides their base is equal, okay, provided the unknown is the power. What you have to do is to do what? To make sure that in both sides their base are equal. So let's continue. So we have, this will give us 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 64. Is the same as what? 2 raised to the power of 6. So here our x is equal to what? 6, because their base are what? Equal. So therefore you equate their powers. So x is equal to 6. So the second one, we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to what? 625. So here we have to make sure that their base are what? Equal. So this will give us 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 625 is something as what? 5 raised to the power of 4. Okay, so since their base are the same thing, we equate their powers. So we're going to have x plus 1 is equal to what? 4. Okay, we continue from here. So that means that our x is equal to 4 minus 1. Our x is equal to what? 3. So this is our final answer here. So the third question that we have here says 4x, 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over 1024. Now, for this, we still follow the same process. We make sure that their base are equal. Now, that will give us 4 raised to the power of x is equal to what? 1 over this 1024. 4 raised to the power of 5 will give us 1024. So we have 4 raised to the power of 5 here. Now you can see that this side we are having 1 over 4 raised to the power of 5, and that is what, from our law of indices, this will give us 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 raised to the power of minus 5, because anything raised to the power of minus is 1 over. So this is something as this. So since their base are the same, we equate their powers, and that will give us x is equal to what? Minus 5. So this is our final answer here. So the fourth one is what? We have 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 8 raised to the power of x plus what? 2. So here we can see we have to reduce this to their lowest common base. So for us to do that, we're going to have 4 is certain as what? 2 raised to the power of 2 into bracket what? X plus 1. And 8 is certain as what? 2 raised to the power of 3. So x plus what? 2. So you can see their base are the same. Therefore, we equate their powers. And that will give us 2 into bracket what? X plus 1 is equals to 3 into bracket x plus what? 2. So we multiply at the bracket, and that will give us what? 2 times x is what? 2x plus 2 times 1 is what? 2. That will give us what? 3 times x is what? 3s plus what? 3 times 2 is what? 6. So we collect like terms. That will give us 2x. This coming over to this will give us what? Minus 3x, which is equals to what? 6 minus what? 2. Okay. So 2s minus 3s is what? Is minus s is equals to 6 minus 2 is what? 4. We have minus s is equals to 4 is equals to 4. Therefore, our x is equals to what? Minus 4. So these are our final answer. So please, I want you to try this last one, which is number 5. Try this. We have 32 raised to the power of x is equals to 0.25. So please, Do this one, do it, solve the question and drop your answer on the comment section. I promise to respond to your answers, okay, and check if they are correct or not. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and share the videos. That is the least you can do for us. Thank you very much.